Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change ringtone in lineup 2024. Firstly, just open up your lineup. After opening up the lineup, next thing you do is tap on the gear icon top right corner to open up your settings. Then scroll down. Remember, I want to change your ringtone, so scroll down to calls, tap on calls. Scroll down till you get to the option of ringtone, tap on ringtone. And then right now ringtone is cellophane. You can now change it to spring, line, telephone ring. These are the default ringtones. So far you cannot use the ones that are not provided by the app. So it's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful on how to change ringtone in lineup in 2024. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips and tricks like this one which we put up every day. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.